Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can enable and access the vertical tab bar in the Brave browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. There are two ways how you can do this in 2026, guys. Launch the Brave browser, of course, in the first step. And option number one would be to simply right click into your top tab bar here, the horizontal one. Where is still some space, usually here on the right hand side, right click into it and select use vertical tabs. But there's also option number two, guys. You may navigate to your browser settings, and from there what you want to do is simply navigate to the appearance section here on the left hand side, and from there simply scroll down to the tab section and you will see the same option as here in the top right. Use vertical tabs. So let us take a look how it would look like. So now all of my horizontal tabs here have been moved to that list, but you can disable that anytime here, or narrow down, for example, what you would like to have included in your vertical tab bars, like the title, like for example, show on the left, or move it to the right here, show or not show the scroll bar, and so on. So let me move it back to the horizontal tab here, tab bar, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some vibe from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.